Hey everybody, my name is Brent, and today we're going to be taking a look at new tools from Ryobi. Now this is really cool. We have two big tools that I want to talk to you about in this video. For immediate release, Ryobi introduces an all-new high-flow automotive pressure washer. We're going to take a look at it right here. Now one of the things you're going to notice is that you're not going to see 1+, because this is 120 volts. Now it does feature a 1.8 gallons per minute. It's going to be 1200 psi. You're going to have a bunch of different nozzles on here. I'm going to get into the specifics in just a moment. But the model numbers are Y14AM12. It's going to cost you about $149. Now, I love that Ryobi is getting more and more into the automotive industry. It's a huge industry, especially the detailing industry. But as we take a look at this a little bit further, you're going to see that it comes with a 15, a 25, 40 degree nozzles. But not only that, but this is truly designed to help you wash your car. And one of the things that helps you is that the hose is 40 feet. It's not 20 feet, which is a standard thing. So that's really good to have. And I gotta say, it's good stuff. Am I going to buy it? I'm not sure. But the reason why I want to show you this video today is this right here. Coming May 2025. This is a creeper. Now, you probably haven't seen a creeper like this before, and that's okay. This is what you're used to seeing. This is a dual function lighted creeper slash seat. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Ryobi is innovating, and they're doing these versatile different things. It has a back to it. It turns into a seat. You can lay down, you can sit up, but not only that, but wait, there's more. It actually has the lights built into the back of it, and these are two of those inspection lights. They can telescope in and out, broad or minimum type of scope of light. It's going to give up to about 1800 lumens, I believe. It is 18.1+ powered, and it also is link compatible. If we take a look down at the bottom, dual function, and if we just take a quick look, they're not really giving us too much information other than the model number. The model number is PCL692 Bravo 2B. Now, with that being said, I want to see the price. I'm going to get this. Before I talk about that, as we're laying down, I don't think I'm going to be using anything link right here laying down. I'm going to knock everything off that's going to be here. I'm always flipping and moving and, jiving around when I'm on a creeper, just because I'm usually struggling underneath a vehicle. Oh yeah, it brings back great memories. But if we take a look here, it does feature 6 3-inch casters, and if you look at the casters, they are rubber overmolded, so it's going to be a smooth ride for you. But that's what I want to talk about, is the innovation. I've never seen this before, with the lights built in, link built in. It's got a seat, it has a back, it has all this really good stuff that's going to help you get out there, and it's going to help you perform a little bit better and more comfort. So whenever you're doing your projects on your vehicle to keep that maintenance up, keep those things running, it's going to make it a little easier. My name is Brent. This is None the Wiser. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to share the video as well, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, I will see you in the next video, but stay tuned. I have other videos coming out because Ryobi is just pumping the tools out. Take care, everybody.